Hello traders, welcome to AM Trading Tips. In today's video, I've got something super exciting for you. A powerful binary trading indicator for MT4 that gives clear and simple buy-sell signals. And yes, I'll be showing you exactly how to use it step by step with live trading examples. So, don't skip the video. Stay with me till the end to get all the tips and tricks you need to start trading smarter. For today's live session, I'm using MT4 platform to show the indicator signals and placing trades on IQ option platform. All platform links are available below in the description if you want to check them out. Quick risk warning. Binary options trading involves financial risk, and you might lose money. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, so always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now here's how the indicator works. When the price touches the lower band, support area, and a buy arrow appears, take a buy trade with 5-minute expiry. When the price touches the upper band, resistance area, and a sell arrow appears, take a sell trade with 5-minute expiry. Best time to trade during European and US sessions. Avoid major news times for safer results. Now let's move to the exciting part. Live trades. Watch carefully, take notes, and see exactly how this indicator performs in real time so you can apply this knowledge to your own trades. If you're excited to try this powerful indicator, the download link is right below in the video description. Important reminder, always test this indicator on a demo account first. Move to a real account only when you're fully confident in its performance. If you're ready, let's jump into our live trading session. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future trading tips and powerful tools just like this. Let's get started. All right, traders, here's our perfect setup for a buy trade. As you can see on the chart, the price is touching the lower band, which acts like a support zone. And right now, we've got a clear buy arrow from indicator. That's our signal. I'm placing a 5-minute buy trade on IQ option using a 1-minute candle time frame. Just as per our trading rules, it's very important to stay patient and only enter trades when the setup matches the exact rules. No shortcuts. This increases your win rate and helps you avoid unnecessary losses. While we wait for the trade to complete, here are a few bonus tips. Stick to major currency pairs for better results. Avoid trading during high-impact news events. Always test any new strategy on a demo account first. Let's wait for this trade to finish. I'll show you the result in just a few moments, so don't go anywhere. Yes, we won this trade, traders. Let's continue and see if we can find a great trade opportunity next. All right, traders, here's our perfect setup for a buy trade. As you can see on the chart, the price is touching the lower band, which acts like a support zone. And right now, we've got a clear buy arrow from indicator. That's our signal. I'm placing a 5-minute buy trade here. This strategy works best on major currency pairs, especially during active market hours, European and US sessions. If you haven't downloaded this indicator yet, don't worry. The download link is right below in the video description. It's free to use on MT4 and very easy to install. Let's wait for this trade to finish. I'll show you the result in just a few moments, so don't go anywhere. Okay, traders, we lost this trade, and that's completely fine. Losses are part of the trading journey. Even the best strategies don't win 100% of the time. What's important is that we followed our rules, waited for a proper setup, and stayed disciplined. That's what makes you a successful trader in the long run. Sometimes the market behaves unpredictably, and we must accept it with a calm mindset. The key is to stay consistent, stay patient, and focus on long-term results, not just one trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions, subscribe to AM Trading Tips, and press the bell icon so you never miss powerful trading strategies like this one. Also, remember to always test new strategies on a demo account first. Only move to a real account when you're fully confident and comfortable. Thanks for watching till the end. This is Ankush from AM Trading Tips, and I'll see you in the next video with another smart strategy or indicator tool that can take your trading to the next level. Until then, trade smart, stay safe, and keep learning.